We all know security is important and microsegmentation is critical to protect your VMs. But getting your policy right takes a lot of work and research from multiple teams, which makes this entire process slow and error prone. Well, I'm Kapil Anandani, a Nutanix TME. In this video, you'll learn how security planning simplifies the process of microsegmentation policy creation. Security planning gives you a single pane of glass for all the VMs running in your Nutanix deployment. You can see detailed traffic patterns like what VMs are talking to each other, are they part of a tiered application, and are they already protected by security policy or they are running unprotected. Security Central can even go further with grouping recommendations for a set of VMs, security policy recommendations, and more. And all of these recommendations are backed by machine learning algorithms applied on network logs. To summarize, with security planning, Nutanix customers can visualize, analyze, review, generate, and enforce microsegmentation policies to secure their virtual infrastructure. Let's see security planning in action with a live demo. Here we see easy to use filters to understand your security policy planning. You can choose how you want to explore your network. The two levels create a hierarchy that enables you to effectively drill down. Here I have selected app type as level 1 and VM as level 2. As part of this demo, I have 3 freshly deployed VMs and we'll look how quickly an admin can identify category type with the traffic patterns and enforce a microsegmentation policy with just few clicks. You can see Security Central put these VMs in an unidentified category based on similar traffic patterns. Let's select them and take a further look. Looking at this group of 3 VMs, they seem to be talking to an Elastic app for reporting. They also have connections going out to the internet. The traffic patterns analyzed by machine learning algorithms suggest these VMs could be part of an Elasticsearch cluster that already exists. So how can we confirm that? From the Manage Actions tab, we can look for outgoing and incoming flow details to confirm. And we see Elasticsearch ports with highest count. Once we are sure that these are part of your Elastic app, you can assign a category. Let's put them in Elasticsearch category as suggested. Now let's look at microsegmentation policy recommendation. We can see 3 inbound rules have been detected for Elastic ports from existing VMs in the cluster. Let's select these and click on Next. Here, as an admin, I can see the summary of inbound rules. I can also edit these rules based on my analysis from network logs and allow only required ports. Moving on to outbound rules recommendation shows us the DNS ports needed to be allowed. Let's select these and allow as well. That's all there is. You can name this policy and apply it in monitor mode to make sure nothing breaks in your environment. Thank you for watching this video. To start your trial of Security Central, visit my.nutanix.com.